3 days earlier. Well, we're getting ready to do a little family vacation, taking the camper, but something was just revealed to me. Well, actually it was yesterday. I tried to repair it, but I drove it around the lot. Now, look and see what we got going on. It's the tire and it's bad.
Which one?
Check it out. Yeah, so I repaired it yesterday. I put a plug in it. It's sticky still. But I came around the corner from the back lot over to here, and there's a little piece of the tire missing there. So we better swap that out before we leave. I think that was a little sign before we took the trip. You better replace your tire. All right, wish us luck. I don't know if this is gonna be a reliable spare or not. Now we're gonna be sporting this weekend. One whitey.
3 days later.
Welcome back to the channel. This week's video is gonna be a little bit different. We're not gonna be working on Jeeps, hot rods, or anything really cool. Well, but necessary. We're gonna be working on the camper because this trailer needs some love, and we're gonna be working on the car trailer because the car trailer needs a little bit of work too. But mostly we're gonna add a couple mods to the car trailer to make it more functional. So let's start on the camper first. So take notice on these nice wheels and tires, and check this out. Yeah, something about this tire doesn't look too appealing. Get it? Appealing? Nice pun. We got the spare on the camper. We caught that tire from exploding on us before we left for our camping trip, thank God. So we added the spare on here, but now we got to change that tire out, and we're gonna change the other tire out on the other side. We want to run the same size tire because we're gonna be running new tires, so they're a little bit taller with the tread, plus they're a different brand than what we have currently that came with this camper. So we'll have same tire size and same tire style on the same axle. So we'll swap the other side on the passenger side of the camper, and then we'll put that tire on the spare. We'll take the spare tire, put it on that tire, and then order a new tire for that peeled up one. So let's go get some tools and get these tires swapped out on this camper. By the way, it's like 90 degrees right now, and the heat index is like 110 or something. It's humid. So don't mind the man sweat going on here. All right, let's get to work. Tire repair trailer here. Got it set up on the old tractor. There we go, 1 down and 2 to go. Well, mission halfway complete on those wheels. We'll go to the shop now and swap those tires out. But first, we're gonna go check out that car trailer, and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about on some mods I wanna do to that trailer. Well, here's our old car trailer. We're gonna do some mods to this. We've had this trailer for a long time. It is a little bit bent. It is rusty, but trusty. So we're gonna do a little bit to make this trailer, you know, just a tad better than before. This is my dad's old car trailer. It's pretty much mine now. I've been using it for a couple years, you know, because I put my name on it. So therefore it's mine, right? Not really, but what is mine is my dad's, and we kind of have that relationship, so that works out well. For this trailer, let's pull it in the garage and I'll show you what I'm talking about doing these mods. Well, here's the 2 mods that we're gonna try to get done on this video. This is the spare tire mount from my Liberty to mount the spare tire for this trailer. Thinking somewhere up in that area. This is from a receiver hitch. Also from the Liberty. And that's gonna go somewhere like that. Because we're gonna put a winch plate here so then we can winch, our broken junk up the trailer. This will sit here, and there's already a battery box in here. So we'll throw a battery in here, and then we'll throw a solar panel on the top to charge the battery to work the winch. I think the spare tire mount is going to be the easiest project, so let's tackle that one first. Kind of feeling like this is the sweet spot right here. I say we mount the tire on the bracket and kind of see what it looks like. Well, there we go. I knew that the bolt pattern was the same as the Liberty 5 on 4.5, so I knew I could use that bracket and the bolt pattern would work. Now for the back here, we're gonna have to do some massaging, do some cutting to kind of fold to bring that bracket in. The mount is on the trailer. Well, sort of, kinda. And it's gonna be good enough. The right thing to do would be to drill those holes, put some bolts in it, put a bracket up here, bolt it in there so you can remove it. But we're just gonna bust out the welder. And if we don't like it, we'll just cut the welds off. Alrighty, let's burn some tacks in. Now for the moment of truth. Will the spare tire fit? Oh, and we got a big Jeeping event coming up. Not really, but the little guy wanted the Jeep on the trailer. Well, we got the tire in the perfect spot. Money right there. Money back here. Now we just gotta do some finish welding. Maybe cut those tabs off, make it look halfway decent. Trying to think of what else we could use that mount for right now, but if I had like a basket or something, I thought that might look pretty cool for in here, but can't really think of anything right now to utilize those holes on that bracket. So I'll probably lop them off. Just gonna cut them off and clean this up a little bit, throw some paint on it, and we're done with that project. Now for the receiver hitch, this is gonna be fairly easy. Just gonna plop it up in the center here. Gonna lock that, so we can pull some Jeeps up. Got the receiver hitch burned in. Now I believe we should build a little kickstand to go from here to there to help the winch from tilting when we have loaded on the Jeep. Sorry for the background noise. A 1980 Kmart fan. I think it has a bad bearing in it. But it's hot out here. Alright, let's go find a kickstand. We're in the shed of mystery pieces and mystery metals. I see nothing. I still see nothing. Thought I had a big piece back here. But can I get to it? That is the question. Up right here. Oh. Maybe not. So. Liberty. Keep the Liberty theme going. Gotta be something else. Something else. This 1/8 inch probably isn't strong enough. It's something like quarter. What a the mystery. Keep the mystery. Whoa. Is it long enough? Alright, we got 2 pieces. Let's see if these are long enough. That piece is gonna be perfect. We'll have like a skeleton going on here. It almost matches the patina action we have going on. It is the next day. We finished welding those brackets on the on the old trailer, and it's very hot out today as well. I don't know if we're gonna get much done, but let's look at these welds. There you go, you guys get the first look. The old kickstand turned out pretty well, and I think it will also be functional. I'm digging a tire mount. I never had a tire mount on this trailer before, so this is gonna be very nice. I usually put the spare tire underneath the Jeep or in my big van that we call the bus. So this new home I like a lot. So to make the winch functional, we're gonna need a battery, some Anderson connectors for disconnecting the winch from the battery, because the winch is gonna not live on the trailer. It's gonna be removable. And I put the order in Amazon, 2-day shipping Saturday. So we're going camping on Saturday. I'm not gonna be around. Hopefully we get those parts in from Amazon before Wednesday so we can post this video with a functioning winch on this trailer and a spare tire. But for now, we can focus on swapping these tires and wheels out for the camper. So let's go to the shop and do that. And we got now 2 new tires that are the same, and then this is the original tire from the camper, is now the spare. So now we'll go home and throw those wheels and tires back on the camper. Well, that's a wrap. We got all the wheels and 2 new tires. Well, one new tire. One was off the spare, so technically 2 on the camper. And we're set to go on another camping adventure without a blowout. Well, here we go. We completed the mod on the trailer. We got the winch, we got the solar panel, and we got the battery. And we got the Anderson plugs so you can remove the winch. Well, not really. We didn't get the parts in time to finish this video. This is the new trailer that we use at the shop, and the same concept that I want to do on the old trailer. So same deal with the receiver hitch and the winch, which is removable. And then we have the solar panel that charges the battery, and the battery is housed in the storage compartment. And then you have the quick disconnect Anderson connectors to remove the winch. So when we get the rest of the parts for the old trailer, we will be able to do this similar mod, but we're gonna have a little bit of a twist with those Anderson connectors. I got a couple ideas that I want to throw at you guys. So that's gonna be on a different video, and then we'll have to explain and show you those other mods. I was thinking they're gonna be pretty cool and convenient having a battery and those Anderson connectors on your trailer. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time.